Hello everybody. With us, it is just not another student whom I'm going to speak to or we are going to talk about. She is an incredible story, an inspiring story for not one or two, I think millions of students who are looking this, who are watching this particular video, because the kind of challenges which she has gone through, I think very few can relate to, because it is not an easy thing what she had gone through. A girl who studied in Bangalore, being raised by a single mother, who had to do that daily some kind of work, kind of tailoring work at home to make the living. It is difficult to even dream in that given situation. That girl had somewhere some small dream and could not dare to even think big about it. But somehow somebody referred, she came and met me. I think it was a fortunate incident that she came and met me. I think we have Dr. Salma Mahek. She has cleared NEET 2021 in the very first attempt. She has made all of us proud. She has made entire Falcon family proud. She has made teaching, non-teaching staff family, entire Falcon family, including teaching and non-teaching staff member, all the managing member. We are all happy and proud today that she has achieved such a great NEET feast. On behalf of everybody, we congratulate you for this great NEET feast.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Hajira Mahek. I'm a proud Falconite and I have cleared my NEET 2021 in a very first attempt. Coming from a background, it was really difficult for me to dream about this. I am raised by a single mother. My mother is a tailor by profession, but she is my role model. She did a lot of things for me, a lot of difficulties we faced in life, but she made to look everything easy, and she has sacrificed a lot for me. And like after the 10th, I was a little bit not confident, but then we approached here to Shines Falcon Pew College. We met Abdul Subhan sir. He helped us a lot. He gave a whooping concession in the fees amount, and he made a thing which was very difficult for a science student, especially to clear the NEET exam. There are so many things. There is a lot of problems, but then he made everything so easy, and we came here. I studied here for 2 years. The management, the teachers, everyone were really good. They were really friendly. They used to clear all our doubts. The teaching, coaching, everything was very good. And the test series which we wrote here, everything was good. And if anyone like me who's there, who has dreams but is not that confident that whether I'll achieve or not, they can approach here to Shaheen's Falcon Pew College. The environment over here is really amazing. They help us a lot, and yeah, everything is really good over here. I realized my dream of becoming a doctor. If I can do it, then anyone who has dream to do it, they can also do it coming over here.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सौरा बेगम है। मेरी बेटी हाजिरा महक 2021 में नीट क्लियर करी है। मैं एक सिंगल पेरेंट्स हूँ। मेरी ये जिम्मेदारी, मेरी बच्ची की 8 साल की उम्र थी, तब से मेरी बच्ची की जिम्मेदारी मेरे पर आई, और मैं टेलरिंग का काम करके मेरा घर नहीं चलाती थी, मेरी बच्ची की जिम्मेदारी करती थी, और उसका ड्रीम था कि डॉक्टर बनना। और ये बहुत मुश्किल था कि वो मेरे जो हालात थे, मेरी बच्ची का जो ड्रीम था वो बहुत मुश्किल था, मुश्किल वक्त था। मैं ये तालीम के लिए बच्ची के वास्ते ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं कर सकती थी, मुश्किल हालात बहुत थे, और मेरी बच्ची का एक ड्रीम था वो डॉक्टर बनने के लिए। लेकिन मेरी एक भाई की बेटी थी, उसने रेफरेंस किया कि कॉलेज फाल्कन कॉलेज तक जाकर वहाँ मदद मिलेगी, और उसका एक ड्रीम था वो पूरा होगा, क्योंकि वो फाल्कन कॉलेज से ही पढ़ के डॉक्टर बनी, और हिम्मत भी दी कि बच्ची पढ़ना चाहती है, वहाँ जाके बात करो सुभान साहब से, तुमना भी मदद मिलती है करके। और जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम फाल्कन कॉलेज सुभान साहब से मिली, और सुभान साहब ने मुझे बहुत हिम्मत दी, और बच्ची को पढ़ाने में भी हमना मदद मिली। मेरे जैसे हालात में मेरी बेटी डॉक्टर बनी, ऐसे दूसरे भी उनके बच्चों को डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं। पहले तो सबसे पहले मैं अल्लाह का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ और सुभान सर का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ, क्योंकि जो मेरी हालत में मुझे मेरी बेटी की पढ़ाई के वास्ते ये कॉलेज से जो मदद मिली वो बहुत बड़ी बात है। और मेरी बेटी जो डॉक्टर बनना चाहती है उसका ड्रीम पूरा हुआ ये कॉलेज से। और मैं ये कॉलेज के सुभान सर का भी शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ, और कॉलेज में जो टीचर्स कोचिंग करते थे उनका भी शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ। उनकी सबकी मेहनत और बच्ची की मेहनत से आज ये कामयाबी मेरी बेटी को मिली डॉक्टर बनने की। जब मैं एक सिंगल पेरेंट्स कर सकते हैं तो मदद दूसरों की मदद के ज़रिए, तो ऐसे जो बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते हैं ये कॉलेज से बहुत मदद मिलती है और उनका ड्रीम पूरा होता है।